In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for affiliate marketing. So, let's dive in and take your affiliate marketing strategy to the next level using Semrush, a powerful SEO tool that can provide you with the insights you need. To start, open your preferred browser and search for Semrush. Once you find their website, you'll want to either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to this tool. Semrush offers a comprehensive suite of tools for marketers, and getting accustomed to it can significantly boost your affiliate marketing efforts. One essential feature you'll find is the Keyword Magic tool. This tool is invaluable for uncovering relevant keywords within your specific niche. Simply enter a broad term related to your product or service, and Semrush will present you with a detailed list of related keywords. You'll see critical data such as search volume and keyword difficulty, helping you prioritize those that have the most potential impact. Next is the Keyword Gap tool, which is crucial for competitive analysis. It allows you to compare your keyword strategy against that of your competitors. This way, you're able to identify gaps where they're ranking for keywords that you aren't. Filling these gaps can create opportunities to capture new traffic sources. After exploring keywords, shift your attention to organic research. Use this feature to analyze your competitors' organic traffic. You can see which specific keywords are directing traffic to their sites and tailor your content strategy to capture some of that traffic for your site. The domain overview is another insightful tool. By entering a competitor's website URL, you can get a comprehensive snapshot of their digital footprint, including their top-performing keywords, traffic sources, and even backlinks. Knowing where your competitors get their traffic helps you refine your strategies. Speaking of backlinks, utilize the backlink analysis feature. Discover which websites are linking back to your competitors. This can uncover potential link-building opportunities for your own site and help you find new potential partners in your industry. On to improving what you already have. With the Content Audit tool, you can assess your existing content to spot areas for improvement. Semrush suggests ways to optimize your content, elevating your conversion rates and boosting your rankings. Keeping your content fresh and engaging is key. So use the Topic Research tool to find trending subjects in your industry. This ensures your content remains relevant and connects with your audience. To track your success and constantly improve, use the Position Tracking feature. Monitor the rankings of your target keywords and watch how your SEO efforts evolve over time. Don't overlook the importance of technical SEO. Conduct regular site audits to pinpoint any technical hurdles that might be affecting your site's ranking and traffic. Lastly, the social media tracker helps you oversee how your content is performing across social platforms. Knowing what resonates on social media allows you to fine-tune your strategy and amplify engagement. By following these steps, you'll make the most out of Semrush for your affiliate marketing efforts. So go ahead, give it a try, and start optimizing your strategy today.